For many years, car manufacturers have relied on manual inspection for quality assurance of their vehicles, from the very early stages in production lines to their service and parts operations in the aftermarket. Introducing UVeye, the inspection solution that ensures a seamless, standardized, and reliable quality assurance process for vehicle manufacturers using high-definition cameras and sensors. Currently working with 6 OEMs including Volvo Cars and Toyota, UVeye systems support various use cases, whether inspecting the undercarriage, separate parts, or the entire exterior for damages, faults, fit alignment, and all other visual anomalies. From the paint shop to the end-of-line assembly, UVeye systems detect paint chips, scratches, scuffs, drips, or sags with high-resolution output drilling all the way down to a sub-millimeter level, improving the accuracy, volume, and efficiency up to 3 to 4 times faster than manual inspections, ensuring data is saved and managed online. UVeye's product suite includes 3 systems inspecting the vehicle from the plant and on the way to the dealership, assisting the PDI process onwards at the dealership and used car marketplaces. Get in touch with us today at UVeye.com to better understand how we can help bring your OEM innovation to the next level.